Hello everyone! Are you looking for an automatic quilt folding packing machine? Richpeace Automatic Quilts folding packing machine can help you with a more easier production. It can pack different types of quilts, comforters, duvets, and blankets. Now please look at this machine. With automatic feeding and conveying, automatic folding, automatic positioning, pre-compression conveying, manual bagging, the whole process can be completed in about 25 seconds. You can choose rolling, rectangle, or square packing shape with high selectivity and can be switched at will. Meet the main requirement of quilt packing needs on the market. Reduce labor waste, replace manual folding and packing, reduce cost, and improve production efficiency. With photoelectric sensor controls and adjust the folding size, make sure a high folding accuracy. Can be connected with vacuum compression sealing machines to achieve a full automatic packing process. Its 10-inch touch screen, more easy to operate and learn. It also can connect with full-size overlock machine, full-size type bending machine, and double-decker single-height quilting machine to realize a complete quilt production line. Here is Richpeace Home Textile Equipment Factory. Follow us to learn more bedding solutions.